What's in the box?
I have no idea.
That's for me to know and you to find out. Blindfolded. So don't blindfold yourself, sir. Who's going first?
You.
So why are you blindfolding yourself?
Oh, I suppose to tell you if you're right. All right.
Oh, shut this up for me. Okay.
Shut this up.
Don't squeeze up my head, you know.
Tell me.
Okay, wait, no man, take your time. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready. So I'm gonna look in the box and say what it is. This is a ham.
Well, it's actually not a arm.
It's a Christmas decoration. Like a hanging one. It was a Christmas decoration. Now it's a piece of glass on the
And you just broke
Am I right?
it. You just broke it.
Is it that? Is that what it is?
Yep. It was.
Not
Because
bad.
you broke it.
Ugh. This is a glass with. Ugh. Is this a wet tea bag?
It is actually.
Ugh. It feels nasty. So that's two. Him. This is something you plug into the wall. It's a Is it like a flashlight? Is it a flashlight? No?
Yeah,
Plug
ask
it-
it there. You
No, this is a hair. This gotta be a hair freshener.
Well, there you go.
Jeevers.
So you put it over here for.
My God. Wait. I have to fumigate this.
You have one
Alcohol,
more.
please.
You have one more.
That is sinus triggering. Mercy. This is a.
Here's some wipes here.
It's not. It's a smell. It's not the. It's not much better than April.
It's the wipes.
This is a bowl of fish, gummy worms.
You got it.
Oh, it's bright. Ah!
Okay then.
Thank you, Carl. Mercy.
Night time? I feel it's the same thing I get.
What are those?
Gummy worm.
So eat one?
No.
Yes, man. Eat
No.
one.
It's not.
Them nice.
It's not gummy worm. I don't know it's what then.
Of course you wouldn't.
It's what?
From Chef Bellamy.
It's what?
Chef Bellamy. Just sing Chef Bellamy.
What you call it? Like noodles something. Right?
I don't know what a nougat something is.
Is what? Noodles?
No. Come again.
Is spaghetti? You said so it's close to spaghetti.
You're not supposed to smell it.
I don't know what then. Oh, I just broke one.
Is it macaroni?
Macaroni. Then it's the same thing basically.
Same family.
What more than that? Pasta. This is one of them things where woman put on them ear, don't it? Don't? Thank you very much.
It's a clip.
Thank you very much. Where them name? Where them name?
I would just call it a clip. An elastic, but this is one of.
Crunchy or something. So.
No, that's not a scrunchy.
This is. Feel like cornflakes. Not cornflakes.
Big old wrong bang.
What is this though? It's not cornflakes. Crushed peanut.
No, come again. You can do it, Nev. You can do it, Nev.
Give me a eat.
Nope. You can
Yeah,
do it.
no.
It's dry.
It's dry, I know.
Comes in a box.
Well, this is not a box. You can't
Very-
eat?
Yes. You can eat it with milk. You can blend it in a shake. You can make porridge out of it.
Then something like cornflakes.
No, sir.
What name? Oats.
Correct.
You know the same thing. Next one. Oh, this is one of the Christmas tree hung up.
But what is it?
Is one where they kind of
What's it called?
they kind of rub
You
the
stole
one.
one, yeah. So you must know what it is.
It's, you know what you call it?
Yes, it have a specific name. Come on.
Is that a specific name?
Yes. Also, the name of a fruit
What?
that can be either sour or sweetish. With an exterior that you have to peel, that is
Sweet sap?
sticky-ish.
So what's up?
Jesus be a bridge. Never says sweet sap.
So what's up?
It's a pine cone.
But to be honest, even if I did look at it, I wouldn't know it says pine cone it mean. The name.
Pine cone.
Pine cone?
Comb.
Comb. Didn't know that. We were
I was
good.
trying to get you to the pine place.
We were good though, weren't we?
This air freshener almost.
Well, you see, you break the thing though, you know.
I didn't break it.
You did when you drop it.
I didn't break it.
You did.
It
See
was
there?
loose.
No, you break it.
I held it and it fell.
No, it's not that. This is when you drop it right there, so break
I didn't
up.
drop it by accident. I mean,
Yeah.
on purpose.
By
It was
accident.
a accident.
All right, up next, Sim talks to the co-owners of Picnic JA.
Would you like a pour?
No, I'm fine. I don't need my glass.